Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry cabbage with olive vegetable. Hope you like it. Olive dish has a delicate texture and a salty and fresh taste. It has the slight astringency of olives, the sourness of mustard greens, and a special flavor of sesame oil. The taste is layered and unique. Ingredients: cabbage, olive vegetable, ginger, chopped ginger, wash and cut cabbage into small pieces. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add cabbage and stir-fry. Add a tablespoon olive vegetable. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Plate cabbage. Stir-fried cabbage with olives goes well with rice, and it's another home-cooked dish that you'll definitely finish in a go once you learn how to make it. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. This dish is simple and easy to make. Make this dish as part of the New Year's vegetable recipe and share it with your family. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Olives have high nutritional value, and and they are high in vitamins and trace elements, which can nourish the skin, beautify the skin, and delay the aging of the body. They can also promote blood circulation, lower blood pressure, and lower blood lipids. The olive oil they contain can calm the nerves and relieve emotions. However, fresh olives should be eaten frequently, usually served cold, which is delicious and nutritious. Olive leaf is rich in cellulose and acidic substances, which can accelerate and stimulate intestinal peristalsis. Patients with spleen and stomach deficiency should avoid eating it, so as to avoid diarrhea and abdominal pain, which will aggravate the original digestive tract discomfort. Olive leaf should not be eaten with milk, as it contains more organic acids, while milk is a high-protein food. Eating them together may cause protein denaturation and reduce the nutritional value of milk. Normally, olives cannot be eaten with beef or cold foods, such as watermelon, eggplant, etc. If eaten with these foods, it may increase the burden on the stomach and intestines, leading to symptoms such as indigestion, abdominal pain, and nausea. Olives have the effects of lowering blood pressure, lowering blood sugar, and enhancing the body's immunity. Cabbage contains a lot of vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and other elements, which have antioxidant and anti-aging effects. Secondly, cabbage also has anti-inflammatory and bactericidal effects and can be used to treat symptoms such as traumatic swelling and pain, sore throat, toothache, stomachache, etc. In addition, cabbage contains a lot of sulforaphane, which can effectively stimulate human cells to produce enzymes that are beneficial to the body, thereby forming a protective film against foreign carcinogens. Cabbage has the symbolic meaning of inclusion, which complements the beautiful meaning of New Year reunion. Cabbage is homophonic to Baokai package of wealth or Baotsai hold wealth, which means you will get rich. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.